Gonna keep this one really simple and basic today. Basic, but it's really, really delicious. We're gonna do cabbage and egg. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're gonna go straight in on this one today. There's absolutely nothing to it. Delicious cabbage we're gonna make. So in there I've got about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil, but please change the oil to what suits you. We're gonna start off by dropping in 2 cups of onion. I'm on and above medium heat. 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Salt and pepper. And we're going to go for 3 or 4 minutes. So I've just added salt and pepper. If you want, you could add some chili in here or some other spice. We're now going to go in with our cabbage. I've got white cabbage here. I've got about 6 or 7 cups. You can see I've cut it kind of fairly chunky. And again, let's go for about another 4 minutes or so on this slightly above medium heat, throwing it around in the pan. So think about getting some bell peppers in here, some thinly sliced carrots, maybe a few little bits of tomato. I'm going to go very straight today. Now, you can see that our cabbage has reduced down as it's cooked. It's still got a bit of crunch to it, so I'm quite happy there. Cook it longer if you want. Very simply, 4 eggs beaten. We're going to mix this all in and get your eggs how you want. I like mine fairly well done, so I'm going to go for about 3 or 4 more minutes. Job done, really simple. Absolutely nothing to it at all, but absolutely delicious at the same time. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.